Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will explain to you how to use the MIDEA air conditioner remote control. This is on-off button of the air conditioner, and with its help, we can turn the air conditioner on and off. This is the mode button, and with its help, we can change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, heating, fan, and auto. We'll first explain how to use the cooling mode. When we press mode button and a snowflake and the word cool appear on the screen, our air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the air conditioner between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. This is the fan button, and we can change the fan speeds of the air conditioner with it. The fan has 5 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. In cooling mode, you can choose the speed you want. You can choose a low speed so that the fan sound does not bother you in the bedroom. Press the mode button and a water drop and the word dry appear on the screen. This is the drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and a sun icon and the word heat appear on the screen. This is the heating mode. Heating mode will set the air conditioner temperature to 27-30 degrees Celsius. In this mode, it is recommended to set the fan speed to auto mode for the air conditioner to work more efficiently. Low, medium, high, and auto. In this case, the fan speed will be regulated by the microprocessor. The evaporator of the air conditioner will freeze only at temperatures close to 0 degrees. When you press the mode button again, the fan icon and the word fan will appear on the screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. Press the mode button again and switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner will maintain the temperature in our house at the level we set. Let's say that if we set the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius, then if the temperature drops below this level, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and if it rises above it, it will work in cooling mode. We press the mode button again and switch to cooling mode. Now we will explain what functions the other buttons will perform. It is also recommended to use the sleep button when using the air conditioner in the bedroom. What is the use of this button? Let's say we press the sleep button while lying down in bed. When this button is pressed, a crescent moon and a star appear on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner gradually raises the given temperature. For example, if we have set the air conditioner to 22 degrees Celsius, then after 2 hours, the air conditioner will raise the temperature to 23 degrees, and after a few hours to 24 degrees Celsius. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. There is a favorite mode button here. When this button is pressed, our favorite mode is saved in the air conditioner memory, like that. If someone changes the air conditioner setting after us, just pressing this button allows us to return to our favorite mode. We press this button, our favorite mode and temperature. When the turbo button is pressed, the air conditioner cools more strongly for 15 minutes at maximum fan speed and returns to the previous mode after this period. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. With the help of the swing button, we can move the air conditioner's blinds. The LED button is used to turn the display on the air conditioner on and off. Sometimes it happens that we want to lock the air conditioner buttons so that no one can use it. In this case, we press the turbo and clean buttons at the same time and hold them for a few seconds. A lock symbol appears on the screen. Now, none of the buttons on the remote control works. We exit the lock mode by holding the same button for a few seconds. To switch to the follow me function, we press the set button and confirm by pressing the OK button when the human silhouette flashes. Since I am holding the remote control in my hand, it now shows a higher temperature. In this case, the air conditioner will measure the programmed temperature using the remote control, but the distance between the remote control and the air conditioner must be less than 7 meters. To exit this mode, press the set button and press OK again to confirm the exit. When the clean button is pressed, the air conditioner will dry the water of the evaporator. When the fan button is held down for 2 seconds, we switch to quiet mode, and in this mode the air conditioner fan works at the lowest speed. To exit, it is enough to press one of the buttons such as mode, turbo, sleep, and fan. Now we will explain the timer function. Let's say it is 21 o'clock now. We want our air conditioner to turn on after 2 hours. With the help of the temperature buttons, we set the air conditioner to turn on after 2 hours. After the indicators flash several times, the word timer on appears on the screen. Or we want the air conditioner to turn off at 6 o'clock in the morning. When this button is pressed twice, we switch to timer off mode and set 9 hours here. Our air conditioner will turn off after 9 hours. To exit these modes, you need to reset the timer on and timer off times. To do this, we do this. Thank you for watching us until the end.